Hello guys, this is the first of a series of videos with the intention of making a tutorial system for cases where you have to work with the three laws simultaneously. We will use worksheets 42 and 43 as motivation for these exercises. So let's start with number 1 in worksheet 42. Let's read it quickly and then we'll begin discussions. 1. Ramon pushes on a bed that has been pushed against a wall, as in the figure. Draw a free body diagram for the bed and identify all the forces acting on it. Make a separate list of all the forces that the bed applies to other objects. So just like before, our first intention is to draw a free body diagram, and in order to do that we represent the bed as a particle. So this here is your bed, and it is convenient for us in this case to draw a regular coordinate system x and y. Now in that coordinate system we need to discuss all the forces acting on the bed caused by other objects. The most common one and the most obvious one is the gravitational force, mg. Then of course, because the bed is resting on the floor, it has a normal force, Fn, and then you have a push exerted by Ramon. Let's call it applied force, Fa, and because the bed is pushing against a wall, the wall is in itself pushing against the bed, so we will call this Fn2, because this is another type of normal force. So because the bed is not accelerating, we know that these forces are in pairs, and each pair is made of opposite forces that are equal in magnitude. Now, on top of that, if you consider that each of these forces is exerted by an external object, we can discuss first that there is a force on Earth which is one type of gravitational force upward. Then there is also a force on the floor which is the symmetric pair of the normal force, and so that is a force downward. Also, there is a force on Ramon because he's pushing to the right, and therefore he is receiving a force equal in magnitude, opposite in direction. And finally, there is a fourth force on the wall, because the wall is pushing the bed to the left, it is receiving a force to the right, like so. So basically those are the elements that complete each of the interaction pairs on your free body diagram: the forces exerted on the bed, and then separately the forces exerted on each of the external objects. And that will be it for number 1. Thank you for watching.